First red card was Arsenal against Everton, 13th of January 1995. You lost your temper with John Jensen.
I pushed him and he screamed to the ground. I remember pushed him and he fell over and the referee had his back turned and he turned and gave me a red card. Because he was running up going red, red, red.
No, it was not done.
The second one was a couple of months later, in fact 6 weeks later. It was against Leicester City.
It was an elbow on the centre back and again it was accidental.
The third one was the start of next season against Blackburn Rovers, the 21st of December.
That was for nothing violent at all. I was singing on the pitch to the referee who was receding at the time. I was singing, who's a baldy bastard? Right. Who's a baldy bastard? Nah.
And then, to be fair, you have an 18-month gap.
He was injured then.
It was 1998 was your next one. It was at home against Derby on...
Yeah, it was naughty. It was Parlow one-shot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was wrong. And I floored him, not nice.
Oh. You floored him as in terms of elbow or... Elbow?
Elbow.
Your fifth one was at Goodison Park against Bolton. Freddie Bobic.
It was a punch to the solar plexus and I thought it was the kid Nolan because he was a big red and I thought he was trying it on with me.